Yes, this bitch kind of go on, okay? Yes, this bitch go on. Hi babies, welcome back to my channel. So you know your girl Brittany is here, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to apply your eyelashes like a pro. After watching this video, you don't have to go to your friend and say, hey, can you put my lashes on? No, right? We're gonna slay this shit all by herself, okay? Stay tuned for my other videos. Comment down below, let me know what look you would like to see on my channel, and you know your girl gonna bring it to you. We're gonna need a pack of lashes. We're gonna need eyelash glue, or you can use hair glue, and you can use a tweezer, but for today I'm gonna use my fingers. I rather apply my eyelash with my fingers, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unpack our lashes. What I normally do, I would normally measure my eyelash on my eye to see if it fit my eyelid. If it does not fit your eyelid, your eyelid, you know what I'm talking about. What you're gonna do is you're gonna cut off the piece. But when you're cutting off the piece, don't cut it from the inner section, cut it from the outer section. So I'm not gonna cut off any today, I'm just gonna put it on just as it is, okay? I'm gonna apply the glue. I'm gonna wait a little minute to get it tacky, then we'll apply it to our lash line. We're gonna put it in the middle first, like this. What you're gonna do is you gotta take your tweezer or your finger and just squeeze it together. This eye is a struggle, but let's do it. When you're applying your lash, you want to turn it up. You don't want to put it on straight. You want to turn it like this. You want to go over back with your mascara, with your wing liner, to just cover that eyelash band. Then after you apply your lashes, you can either apply your mascara under your eye, because even out your natural eyelashes with the mink ones, or what you could do, you could just apply it first so you don't have to do this afterwards. That is how I do my eyelashes. The first, my lashes go on so easily. I don't know what happened today, but it went on pretty easily. Pretty easy. Thank you guys for watching. If you reached to the end of the video, you're a real one. Thank you. And for my new subbies, I just want to tell you a big thank you. I've seen all the subscribers, and I hope you guys are watching my video also, right? So Thank you. And you know your girl love you always.